Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. We need strategy to win. Okay, so for me, I believe that we need strategy to win. Because in my experience and in my life, every time that I had to make a major breakthrough, every time that I needed to, move forward either monetarily or, education wise, I had to first write it down what I needed to do. I had to think of, what are all the logical steps for me to start moving and winning. And then I had to go backwards to figure out, okay, cool. So if I need to go, say, for example, if my goal is to shoot 5 baskets in a game, well, then I need to go be able to take maybe, 10 to 15 shots. Because let's say that I'm only 33% from the field, right? That means if I shoot 3 times, I only make 1 basket. Okay, cool. So then how many times do I need to actually get the ball in order to get 15 open shots? Okay, cool. So it's like we'll say twice. So every second time, if I get the ball 2 times, I'm going to try and shoot it 1 time. Okay, or I'm going to pass it. Okay, then we're just constantly backtracking in order to actually know what we have to do to hit our goals. That is strategy. That is the overall movement that we need to do in order to reach our goals. That's one of the things that we do inside of my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. We give you guys a step-by-step strategy and exactly what we're using and exactly what different coaches that we're interviewing are using to allow us to be able to move forward, okay? If you want to learn how to do this for yourself, I recommend you go join that group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. It's a free group. There's a link in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this video with someone who can benefit from the information that has been shared. Have a great one.